Hello and welcome! Teuco is a brand of Garzitto S.r.l. where every story begins with time. Time that flows quietly deep beneath water and earth, shaping fossil oak over thousands of years, slowly and patiently preserving its beauty far beyond generations. Fossil oak is a rare and precious wood kept hidden and protected for millennia. Shaped by minerals and natural forces, time reveals its unique textures and the natural beauty of its colors, rich and full of character. Every piece carries its own story, a trace of ancient forests, a memory of landscape that no longer exists. No two are ever the same because time never repeats itself. At Teuco, craftsmanship and creativity come together naturally. Our artisans blend traditional Italian woodworking with contemporary design, shaping fossil oak with care, precision and deep respect for its history. Every table, every surface reflects the soul of this material, elegant, enduring and unmistakably unique. For us, sustainability is a principle. No trees are ever felled. Through Carbon 14 certification, we can trace the era of each piece of fossil oak, honoring its journey across millennia. Fossil oak is timeless, and so is our vision: to create design that turns every moment into a timeless experience.